guys, what's up? So I just woke up, so please ignore my puffy face. But today I decided to vlog from my phone because a lot of you were asking me to do it. And since my laptop is still in the repair, I decided to vlog and edit from my phone. And let's see how this experience goes. Obviously, I think it will be very hard for me because it's easier to edit on like laptop and PC. I'm up for the challenge, and I'm especially doing this for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So today I have nothing much planned. I am gonna go ahead with my day as usual, and the strategy that I'm gonna keep to make this vlog is to keep the clips shorter, talk less, because that's what I do, and my footage turns out to be like an hour or so. So I am praying to God this works out well for me so that I can upload more vlogs in the future. But this is my first experience, so let's see. Also, I need to look in the camera. I'm so sorry. So this is my first experience, so let's go ahead and see how this goes. Right now it's morning, and I'm gonna have my milk and fruits. Yeah, I've started having fruits also in the morning, so let's go ahead and do that. So here is everything that I'm eating. I have a glass of milk. Yeah, I have kind of reduced the quantity of milk that I have. Then I have apples, walnuts, dates. These two are for my hair, and then kaju and kishmish. So yeah, quite a change. There's a change thanks to lockdown in my breakfast now. And honestly, I feel good after eating all this, like starting my day with this. So yeah, it's a good thing now. A new change that you see. So I'll just eat this now, and then I'll shower, and then I'll see you guys. Oh my god, I didn't look at the camera. Okay, never mind. I'll get used to it, guys. Please, just don't worry about it. Okay, guys, so now I'm done with my lunch. So we have some PR packages that I need to open. PR and Amazon packages that I need to open. So let's go ahead and do that now. First and foremost, we're gonna open this package, although I have already opened it. But I received some PR package from MAC. Yeah, that's about it. So it's a lipstick trial with 3 lipsticks on it. And then we have a pouch, makeup pouch, and inside that we have is this recording? Sorry, lipstick, tiny mini lipstick, so cute, right? So this is in the shade Ruby Woo, the very famous lipstick. That's the red shade. Then we have the Kohl and Prep and Prime Fix setting spray. Again, mini one. So that's everything that I got from MAC. Then I also received a package which I have already opened again from Heyy. She started her own clothing line, which I think is amazing. Like wow! So she just sent me a T-shirt. I think. Also, the brand is called the wait. The brand is called the Classics. So there you go. Can't wait to wear this. Thank you so much, Heyy. Wish you all the good luck and everything. Now let's go ahead and open this package from Carvaria. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's by Aishwarya Kaushal. So she sent me this. So I didn't open this yet. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is a huge bag. My God. It's clothes, obviously. Oh my gosh, she sent me so much. Damn. Oh my God, this is. I love the cut. It's a dress. Oh my God, I love this. What is this? This is so cool. Okay, so it's a dress, maxi dress or what? Huh, maxi dress. So good, man. I love the fabric as well. It's so nice, like very summer friendly. Super happy. I can't wait to wear this. I'm gonna wear this soon, guys. So you'll see in my Instagram videos or something. For reels or something maybe. Again, we have another color in yellow. I think she knows I like yellow. It's a top which has like a keyhole in this keyhole. I think so. In the front. Thank you. And another top, I guess this is similar but in red color. Whoa, same but in red. Wow. Thank you so much, Aishwarya. I really didn't expect this. Thank you. Now let's go ahead and open a package from Nykaa. Nykaa का sale था तो मैंने order कर लिया because I was running out of stuff. So I didn't order much, just like 2-3 things. Oh my god, I don't know how you feel about this, but my trypophobia is screaming right now. Like, I don't like this packaging. Oh, it's hurting as well. It feels like a snake skin or something. I'm not gonna look at it. My god. Okay, done. Then we have bubble wrap. So I ordered the shampoo for my mom, the Biotique Bio Kelp. Then my Palmer's skincare therapy oil that I apply at night, every single night, and Maybelline Colossal mascara. Then let's open the small package. Like this is literally like nothing. I don't know what's in there. Ah, so it's like 3.5 jack splitter. Like you can put like two headphones in one and all. Okay, so in this we have finally, yeah. I ordered like 3 very huge clips, like literally so huge from Amazon. They are very nicely made, and such clips are in trend, like back in trend from the 90s. So I got that. Also, like you guys know how I like to stay at home. So oh my freaking oh my god, I love this. I like it. Like, imagine me doing it like properly with my hair comb and all. I like it. Yay. Can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna keep this on for now. Also, the links to everything that I got from Amazon will be in the description box as usual. So don't forget to check it out. It's a grip tape. Now, this is supposed to be better than double-sided tape. So I got that. Not sure how to use this, but you guys will see when I try to use it. And you can literally stick anything and everything with that grip tip. So can't wait to use it. Next I got is a book, The Theory of Everything by Stephen Hawking. Can't wait to read it. There's also a movie about this, but I thought let's just read it. So got that. Also currently I'm reading this one. And then there were none that I got again. I have shown that in my Amazon, one of my Amazon haul, not sure which one. Okay, next thing I got is some soya nuts. So these are like roasted soyas, and I got it in different flavors. Lime masala, then the masala one. Then we have the salted, plain salted one, and Maggi masala one. Like literally, there's Maggi masala inside. Sure. And finally, we have the magic pudina. Can't wait to try them and see which is good and which is not. Next, I got, yeah, so it's basically a card holder. I have that watermelon one that I got from Miniso, so my mom wanted something similar, so I got this one. So it has like card slots that you can keep. Very handy, like I love this. Everyone, I believe, should have something like this. Next, I got a t-shirt dress. Okay. So this is what the dress looks like. Very comfy fabric. Can't wait to actually wear this. I got it for a video actually, which you guys will see on my Instagram soon. So stay tuned. Then I got this. It's fragile. Look at this bubble wrap. So huge. Oh my god. But you can't actually pop them. You can't pop them. After so long. Should I just... So I got like 3 set of bowls from Home Center from Amazon. It's from Home Center, but I got from Amazon. And yeah, they look amazing. Like, look at that. How fancy. Can't wait to make Maggie and eat in this. Oh my god, I love this one also. So cool. Last thing I got, I don't think I really needed this, but the Gujung needed it, so I got it anyway. Let me just open. Yeah, they look nice so far and has a little googly in the bottom. That's everything that I got. My god, I made a mess again. Also, if you guys are wondering, just in case, I'm using OnePlus 8. Yeah, that's a new phone that I got. You were supposed to see me unbox it in my vlog that I was supposed to upload last Monday, but it didn't happen thanks to my MacBook. But yeah, I think this is a good challenge. So yeah, thanks to my new phone, you guys get to see this vlog. Otherwise, my Pixel has literally no memory in it, and I don't even think I can edit in like such small screen. So yeah, super happy that I invested in OnePlus. Now I'll just go ahead and do something, and also yeah, I love the clip. You guys will get to see me like this now. Like this is my new hairstyle. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so it's the next day now and I am like super hungry. Yesterday I didn't vlog after that because nothing important happened. But right now I'm planning to try out the yummy capsicum. Maggi noodles, noodles, Maggi noodles in the flavor yummy capsicum. I got this a while back from Amazon, so just thought since I'm like super hungry, I might as well just eat it. यहाँ पे बैठ के नया फ्लेवर ट्राई करने में मुझे ना ऐसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसे deja vu types feeling आ रही है. The Maggi is here and it exactly while I was making it, it exactly smelled like the 5-pepper pizza that we get from Domino's. Very similar to that. So I love the smell of this and now let's go ahead and taste this. Honestly, I didn't like a lot of flavors that Maggi came up with in the past, especially the hotheads and all that, like the spicy version that they came up with. But I really like the tomato one that I tried in my vlog earlier, and this one as well. It's a nice twist to the original Maggi, which I'm happy about. Like, if you're tired of eating, I don't think someone will like ever get tired of eating the Maggi, but just in case if you are, this is like a nice thing to have. Also, like, my Maggi is still there. If you're wondering, the packets, big packets that I got from Amazon, it's still there. In the box itself, I'm just waiting to get my camera back so that I can film the challenge and have original Maggi for the first time in the front of the camera with you guys. So, like, yeah, see my patience level, guys. Like, seriously. guys, so it's the next day now and I still haven't showered. I just got done with my workout and all, workout and breakfast later on. So now I just got these packages and I thought before ending this vlog, I think I should just open them for you guys. Oh my freaking god. It's huge. My god. Okay, so this is like a satin scarf. It's a square scarf, like you can see. And I have seen a lot of people wear like scarves and all on their heads now, and even as a top. So I thought, why not just get this and experiment a little bit. Also, it's like really smooth. Like, I think it's like nice silk. It's not satin. So this says it's a silk scarf. I'm not sure if it's real silk or what. But yeah, the fabric definitely feels a lot nice, and like you can see, it's very shiny as well. I like the print also. So basically you can just fold this and wear it as a top and stuff. So let's go ahead and see how will that look. I'll obviously post it on my Instagram if I ever do anything like that. So do follow me there. Shameless promo. Like, I am more active on my Instagram now than anywhere else. Another scarf that I got is this one. There are two? Wait, what? I just ordered one. Oh no, it's different. Sorry. I ordered like 3 scarves. I forgot about that. So this is another one. Oh my, I love this. Oh my god. I love the color as well. This is so me. This scarf is so me. I love this. And another one is this. Again, multi-printed. It's like abstract print. Like that. Love this one as well. I actually love the border here. Like, if I wear it as a top, it will be nice. So got like those 3 things, and that's everything that I got from Amazon. So yeah, that's basically it. Oh my god, I love this. Like, this as a top will look so good. Can't wait to wear it. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, and also I would like to just mention this here that I did a community tab few days ago, and over there, like 2-3 people actually said few toxic things. So I just want to like thank them. Because of you guys, I started doing this vlog on my phone. Otherwise, I wouldn't have. So thank you so much for the toxic, hateful comment. I would just request you to be kind in this tough time, because not everyone has a heart like me and not everyone is this strong. Some might just go into depression or something. So you never know what you are doing to someone else. So please learn to be kind. And that is basically it for this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching it. If I don't get my laptop anytime soon, I will definitely do another vlog from my phone. But I am hoping I will get it soon by this week. Hopefully by this weekend. So yeah, let's see. And the links to everything that I got will be in the description box below. I'm not sure how much time this will take to edit, but I'm hoping by Saturday morning or so I can like upload this vlog. So thank you so much for your patience, guys. I cannot thank you guys enough for the patience that you guys have shown on my channel and for me. Thank you. I seriously don't know what to say about this, but you guys know I love you from the bottom of my heart. So thank you so much for sticking by. And yeah, I am doing my best to get regular content as soon as possible on my channel. So yeah, don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. Also, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next vlog now. I hope it's edited on Mac. Bye.